Okay, here's the next problem. It says, what is the surface area of a cube where the side edge measures 12 inches? So we have a cube. Here's a cube. We're all familiar with that. With the cube, it's basically like a square, three-dimensional square. They have equal lengths on the sides, right? So this has 12 inches on each side as its measurement. So surface area is the outside area. Like if I wanted to paint this cube, not if I wanted to fill it up with water, right? I want to know how much paint I would need to cover the entire outside of the square. So surface area would be the outside edge. Okay, perfect. So let's talk about this. So we have this. We need to understand it's like a die, with dice. So how many sides do I have? I have one here, one side right there, front. I got these two sides. Then I have a front and the back, and a top and a bottom. So essentially I have 6 sides of this cube. So all the surface area, so I need to find the area of one of the sides first. And that's just going to be surface area of one side is going to be 12 times 12, right? So that comes out to 144 inches squared. So that's for one side. But how many sides do I have? I have 6 sides. So I need to multiply this for the total surface area. I would have 6 sides times 144 inches squared, which would be 144 times 6, will come out to be 864 inches squared. So if it asks you to convert to feet squared or something different, you could do that. So we're going to take a little side note over here. So when you have these conversions, this is not relating directly to this problem. We have these conversions like 1 foot equals 12 inches. This is one-dimensional, right? But if I know that 1 feet equals 12 inches, I can get my two-dimensional or area units conversion by just squaring both sides, because that's what it is. It's the area, or the square, the length times the width. So if I square both sides, I distribute into both factors. 1 times 1 is 1. Feet times feet is feet squared. And then distribute into both of these. I'd have 12 times 12 is 144. Inches times inches is inches squared. And this would give me my two-dimensional conversion factor. I could do that for 3 dimensions as well. Cube both sides, because that's length times width times height. So distribute into both. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Feet times feet times feet is feet cubed. And distribute into both of these, and we have 12 times 12 times 12 comes out to 1728 inches cubed. So if we got an example of 3 feet cubed, and I wanted to convert that to inches cubed, what I would need to do is put it over 1, and then I need to use this conversion right here, and I'm going to have to decide which one goes on the top and which one goes on the bottom. Because feet are on the top, I want to cancel it by putting the feet cubed on the bottom. So I'd have 1 foot cubed. That will cancel with this. And times 1728 inches cubed. And this is what's left. So we know that's going to be the unit that we have left. And I just do 3 times 1728. And that would come out to 5,184 inches cubed.